By the way, I don't think I told y'all what that whole 2020 thing was, and you have to see the previous video. But that was nothing more than a ritual for Mother Nature to be the copycat of God locking down and beating his. That's what Satan, who's, how do you say this? He is shapeshifted to the female, the goddess. He is Mother Nature. She is Mother Nature. Lucifer is Venus. That's an easy Google search. Venus is female. That's an easy Google search. So that's all the lockdown and all of that was really just a big ritual for Mother Nature. So you have to see the previous video I did. Anyway, on the YouTube channel you're watching this on, or on the Facebook, it should be right below it.